Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button.
Hit the like button also, please. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get this channel going. Comment below too. Come on, guys. Comment below what you want to see.
Help a new guy out. Help me out. Help me help you. What do you guys want to see? And then hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Now, I still have love for all of you, but I feel extremely bad for Damon,
though, because
he didn't, for people to bring something up into a heated discussion, an argument that happened 10 years ago, for something he didn't even do, is what makes it even worse. Like, he didn't even do it, and he's got proof that he didn't do it and everything. And to judge a man
based off of what happened 10 years ago is kind of
wrong.
People change. 10 years can change a person a lot.
Just saying, Dave and Damon and Alex, Choi and Amelia and all of them, they've all inspired all of us to do better for our lives
and to go out and take what we're worth.
Why from one little rumor, why is everybody going to try to take that away from them?
I'm just saying, Damon's not, I don't see Damon's in the wrong in not any of this. In my opinion,
he was filming content. Everybody films people getting arrested. It's good content to get. Everybody films cop content. It's good content. And I don't know.
It's just,
all of you guys will figure it out. I'm just saying,
in my opinion,
for where I'm getting at with all of this is, it should be between the immediate people, and for everybody that's supposedly call themselves fans to throw hate mail in them. And I guarantee each and every one anybody that has thrown a hate message or shitty message in any of their DMs or family's DM box, I guarantee is subscribed to them. What? I'm just saying, that's wrong. You're gonna throw all that away and everything they've done for you over something that really doesn't even have anything to fucking do with any of us? Come on now.
We're supposed to be showing our support and love for them, for DDE and Mondi and
Houston. Like, I love each and every one of them. I'm still gonna follow them. I'll show love and support to all of them. I'm not gonna be biased with any of this.
I'm not.
Damon was in the wrong for saying
he will show the cops the footage.
I mean, yeah, come on. But who cares? The cops already seen the footage. They guaranteed already seen you do it. So who cares at that point? Who cares that he was recording it? Just who cares? But all I gotta say is, Damon, Dave,
if you guys see this, I love you.
From day one, you've inspired me to do better for myself. Because of you, I started watching you guys after my house, mine and my family's home got destroyed by the hurricane a year ago. And after that, I didn't know what to do. I was hopeless. Hopped on YouTube one day, seen a video. And ever since then, I've been wanting to do what you guys do, and
following the goal and trying to achieve it. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to ever get as big as you. It'd be nice, but I don't see that happening. But you've inspired me to do better with myself. And I know you guys inspired millions, hundreds of thousands of people across the world.
Keep it up. We love you. You'll get through this. As far as everybody else, that's all I have to say
about this whole situation.
And if you're still watching, thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button. I feel bad for Damon. I really do. He's inspired so many people, just like Houston, just like Edmund. They've all inspired people, but Damon, I feel, has done it on a bigger level. For somebody to inspire people to go from nothing to owning a supercar in a couple years.
And I know Houston has inspired people to do that, and I know Mondi has inspired people to do that. But the Daily Driven Exotics family itself, I feel, has done that on a much higher scale throughout the world.
And for everybody to sit there and
threaten him and give him hate mail and his family is ridiculous. He's a grown-ass man. Did it impact, is what Damon didn't even do 10 years ago impacted any of your guys' life to start shit and throw hate mail into his and his family's DMs? Come on, that's childish and immature. And has Mondi or Houston and any of them done anything directly to affect your life on a bad level this whole situation that went down impacted any one of your guys' lives on a negative level to go and sit there and start talking shit in their DMs and give them hate mail and threatening them and harassing them? That's childish, in my opinion.
Yeah, they're all having a big dispute. Oh well. It's really not, honestly, any of our concerns. They're all going to deal with it like grown-ass men.
This is my opinion, though. I still have love. But Damon and Houston, they're going to have problems. They'll figure it out. But Houston, for you to sit there and throw in his face you're 40 and you own a leased Lamborghini and leased all this, who cares? And you're 28 and own your first Bugatti, who the hell cares?
Seriously, who cares that you own a Bugatti at the age of 28? It's impressive.
I'll give you that. It's impressive. It really is. But leasing it is just as... You could have just as much fun in the car and express the car just as much as it is yours, as much as it is if you bought the car. So to throw that into somebody's face was kind of petty.
I'm just saying, who cares? It's just money. I don't have a lot of money, and who cares? Not everybody could be on your level, Houston. Who cares? Damon does it because he has the passion and the drive to make these videos for all of us. He doesn't care about making millions of dollars.
It'd be nice. I'm sure he'd love to make millions and millions of dollars.
Who wouldn't? But I'm just saying, to throw that in somebody's face was kind of petty. Still love you, but it was kind of petty.
Mondi, you were doing donuts and burnout. Hold up. Get the camera situated. There we go. You were doing donuts and burnouts in the middle of the street with a bunch of people.
Everybody there was doing some type of recording. You can't sit there and say Damon did it. I'm pretty sure the cops already knew you did it.
But hey, I don't know. Only you guys will know that who it's. This is just my opinion. Still love you. Still have love for royalty, Houston, Edmond. Still got love for all of you. This is just where I'm coming from on this whole situation. You expressed your opinion. Now, Damon, come on. Well, just all of you in general. Why are I'm sorry that I'm just gonna say that I'm sorry to all of you for getting those types of emails and everything, and to your families, I'm sorry too. That's horrible. Houston, if you see this, I'm sorry. I can kind of relate to the pregnancy thing. When my wife was 8 months pregnant with our son, we had a few scares, but under different circumstances. I'm sorry, I couldn't imagine that. I hope everything goes well, and congrats, by the way. Damon, DDE fam, I'm sorry, I couldn't imagine getting emails and DMs like that. I'd be just as pissed off as all of you guys too.